Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a sine graph into the Tableau, and later on I will show you how to use the sine graph with the different data set and create the effective visualization. So I'll go with the basics. Let's get started. Alright, so to create a sine graph, we need to use some trigonometric fundamentals, and for that, what we need is to create a path. So any angle rotates from 0 to 360 degrees, right? So we need data where we can create a path or beam from 1 to 360. Alright, all the way we need this data to create a bin. So we'll copy this and paste it over the Tableau. Alright, so it takes some time. Alright, so our data is ready, and we don't need this to be reflect into the text. So let's wait. I think my Tableau desktop is lagging. Alright, so we have a path and we have to create a bin out of the path. Okay, so we'll click on right and then create a bin like this, and size of bin will be 1 and all. Yeah, we are all set. I will hit on OK. Our bin is created. Now we need to create path, and for path we need a index. So I'll create index, apply, OK. So I'll drag the index onto the column like this. I have 0 to 1, and I'll drag the path bin to the rows like this. So I'll get from 1 to 360 partitions like this. Alright, so what I'll do, I will compute using the path bin like this, so that I'll get the index on all the 360 partitions. So I'll simply drag this path bin and drag it to the detail tab like this. Okay, and I don't need path bin into the row, so I'll remove it. So you can see I have a boxes created from 0 to n number, so it is not at all no need to worry about it. Okay, so now I'll check. Okay, it is from pathway. So now we have to create the I'll change this mark type to line, and now I will create the sine graph. So I'll name it as x, and I'll say sine in radians index, the index one what I have created. I'll click on apply and OK. I will drag x onto the rows. So you can see now this is nothing but the sine graph. I hope these steps are clear to you. So if you see here, it is starting with 1, but we have to start it with the 0, right? So in the index we'll go and we'll minus by 1 like this. So now it is going to start from the 0. All right, so similarly we can plot the cos sine cos graph, like this is the sine graph, then we can draw the cos graph. So cos radians index, I'll apply. Okay, put y next to the x, and this is our cos. Okay, so you might be interested to see what if we combine the sine graph and cos graph. Then we can see here, we can make a dual axis like this, and we'll change the mark type to line for all. And yes, this is how we can create the sine and cos together. All right, so hope you found this video useful. If you have any question, doubt, feel free to ask into the comment section, and till then I will see you in the next video with another Tableau concept. Take care, bye bye.